Why should you choose BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacers? Since 2007, BONOSS has been committed to producing high-quality automotive wheel accessories. We pay attention to the safety and quality of wheel spacers. BONOSS has over 10 years of professional design and manufacturing experience. We have sufficient inventory to ensure faster delivery and customize wheel spacers only in 3 days. After-sales warranty for 10 years will be more rest-assured. BONOSS wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, faster customized service, which is your best choice. BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, and high temperature resistance. For more information, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.